Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to replace Porsche Cayenne wiper blades. First, ensure your vehicle is safely parked and the ignition is off. Gather your new wiper blades and a soft towel to protect your windshield. This simple method requires no special tools, making it a quick and easy task for anyone. You'll be ready to improve your visibility in just a few minutes. To begin, gently lift the wiper arm away from the windshield until it locks into its service position. Be careful not to let it snap back. Place a towel or a piece of cardboard on the windshield beneath the wiper arm. This prevents any accidental damage to your glass if the arm were to fall unexpectedly during the process. Now, locate the small release tab or button on the wiper blade where it connects to the arm. Press this tab firmly and slide the old wiper blade downwards or outwards, depending on your specific model, to detach it from the arm. Hold onto the wiper arm securely to prevent it from springing back and potentially cracking your windshield. With the old blade removed, take your new wiper blade and slide it onto the wiper arm's hook or connector. Push it firmly until you hear a distinct click, indicating it's securely locked in place. Double-check that the blade is properly seated. Finally, gently lower the entire wiper arm back onto the windshield, ensuring it rests flat.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.